Hi and welcome to the Faroe Islands, and we're at our first location and it's blowing an absolute hoolie here. My original plan from my trip to the Faroe Islands was really to make one video. However, this place is so beautiful, so amazing. I'm going to split it up into the different locations. This video is the first of a series that I'll be posting. So let's crack on with our first location. And as you can see, it's blowing an absolute hoolie here. The waterfall is coming down at the moment. Quick clean of the lens, which is going to be a theme of this, I suspect. What we've got there, we've got a third of a second. Loving that, loving that. What I'm going to do is get really patient, and when the wind really catches the waterfall, I'm going to capture that. One of the things to really look at when you're on location is it's obvious to take photographs of the waterfall, but just look at that coastline. And one of the things that's really caught my eye is the storm fronts moving across the island in the distance, and the local tourists are laughing their heads off. I don't know what they're laughing at, hopefully it's not me, but that island with the storms passing through is absolutely beautiful. So let's capture some images of that as well. Okay, so rain and wind straight at us in the face has stopped us there. And please remember, if you've liked this video, to like and subscribe, and remember to check out the rest. Turn on notifications so that you get a notification of when I release the rest of the Faroe Islands videos, and also check out some of my other videos on the channel.